Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would like to mention Arpi network. So thank you so much Arpi for commenting on my videos. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you 7 different ways in which you can use your lipsticks other than applying on your lips. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So the first way to use your lipstick is as a color corrector. So for that I'll be using this red lipstick. So do not use any deep red shades, just use this kind of red shade. So it is useful for hiding any discolorations on your skin. So as you can see, I have this discoloration under my eyes and also this acne spots. So I will use this on one side so that you can see the difference. So start by taking small amounts and place it under your eyes or on the places you want to hide your discoloration. So do not apply too much or it will look like someone has beaten you. So just place small amounts. Then I will also be covering my acne spots. So you can see like 3 acne spots are there on my face. So after I have covered it, I will apply concealer on top of it. So just place the concealer on top of your red lipstick, do not drag it. Just pat it in your skin. You can use your fingers or you can also use any beauty blender if you want. So just little by little apply your concealer on top of your red lipstick and just pat it in so that it could hide the mark. So after applying your concealer, just set it using any compact so that your concealer and your red lipstick stays in place. So now can you see the difference between both the eyes, and also my acne mark is almost gone. So yeah, this is a very easy way to use your lipstick, so do try it. So the second way to use your lipstick is as a contour. So for this I'll be using this brown lipstick. So I will suggest that do not use any shiny lipstick for this process, use any matte lipstick. So just use it as a contour stick and place on your contour lines. So I will also contour my nose. Then I'll be using a beauty blender for blending it. So again, just dab the product on your skin, do not drag it, just the way you do with your cream contours. Similarly, I will blend on the other side as well. So if you don't have any beauty blender, you can also blend with your fingers. So after applying the contour, I will just set it using a compact. So I have not done any heavy contour over here, but still you can see the difference. How my face is looking a bit chiseled, and also my nose. So moving on to the third way in which you can use your lipstick is as a blush, which is very common and we all must have tried at some point. So I am going to use this pink lipstick as a blush. So just apply the lipstick on the apples of your cheeks and just blend it. And trust me, lipsticks work the best as a blush, especially for dry skin people like me, because powder blushes tend to look cakey on your skin and also it looks very dry. Instead, using a lipstick looks more natural on your skin and you can also use it on regular basis. So here I have applied a little extra because now I will be setting it using a powder. So it will just tone down the effect of this lipstick. So after setting with powder, can you see that rosy glow on my cheeks, which looks so natural? So the next way to use your lipstick is as an eyebrow definer. Yeah, you heard me right. So if you are traveling and you forgot your eyebrow pencil with you, so you can use any brown lipsticks to shape your eyebrows. So use any small brush or angle brush and take the product in your brush and just comb your brows with it. So here I forgot to mention, after applying the lipstick on your eyebrows, dust some translucent powder on top of it so that it could stay on place, and you can see your eyebrows are ready. So the next way to use your lipsticks is as an eyeshadow. So here I am using again that pink lipstick which I applied as a blush on my eyelid as an eyeshadow. So apply this on your lid using your fingers because that way it would blend very easily. So these tricks of using lipsticks are very pocket friendly for those people who are like teenagers or on a budget, or even while traveling you can just use different kind of lipsticks and do your whole face of makeup like I am showing you in this video. So if you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So now I have applied it on both the eyelids. So this is how it is looking. So the sixth way to use your lipstick is as a colorful eyeliner. So for this I'll be using this liquid lipstick. So it is in the shade Blush. It is a very nice pink color. Then I'll be using this eyeliner stick and then I will apply this eyeliner. So only use liquid lipsticks for this process because liquid lipsticks dries very easily. Because if you use any bullet lipstick, it will just smudge and it will create a mess. Instead, liquid lipsticks will just stay in place and will look very classy. And also colorful eyeliners are really trendy these days. So yeah, you can try this lipstick hack as well. So now both the eyes are completed. So if you want to define this eyeliner even more further, so what you can do, apply any black eyeliner on top of this pink to just define it further. So here I am showing you how it will look after defining your liner. So if you want, you can just keep it like that without applying a black liner on top. So yeah, this is how the complete eyeliner looks like. And you can see that it looks very trendy and very unique. So moving on to the last idea of using your lipstick is as a highlighter. So you can use any lip gloss or any lip tint which has a bit shine to it. So you can see I have chosen this lip gloss. So you can see how shiny it looks. So if you don't have any lip gloss, you can also use this kind of lip balms and it also works nicely. So I will show you how it looks. One side I will use this lip gloss and other side with this lip balm. So starting with the lip gloss, just apply it on high points of your cheek and then just blend it using your fingers. So can you see that glow on my cheekbone? So if you see that the glow is quite visible on camera as well. So moving on to the other side, I'll be using this lip balm. So just take a little quantity of it and then again dab it using your fingers. And you can see the shine. So if you see, lip balm side is giving you more like a natural shine, like a glow from within. And other than that, the lip gloss side is giving you more like a bling effect. So yeah, you can choose any of the two which you like. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you next video. Till then, bye.